Hello, I'm Shinmai. In the previous video, you were able to learn Cho-on, which is doubled consonant. Today, I'd like to teach you Cho-on, which is a doubled vowel. For example, how do you say the air in Japanese? 空気 It might be too easy for you when you pronounce it. However, it might be hard when you're writing in hiragana. 空気 Because 空気 is 3 syllables, you need to write く and き If you write down just くき then it's 2 syllables and means stem or stalk. Let's think about it in the opposite way. How do you read A? How about B? A is びよういん B is 病院 A is 5 syllables 美容院 but B is 4 syllables 病院 美容院 means hair salon and 病院 means hospital. So please be careful when you want to go hair salon. If you ask your friend where is the good hair salon, you need to say, いい美容院知っていますか? If you say, いい病院知っていますか? then your friend will tell you hospital. From now, please try the listening test. Can you recognize what I'm going to say? Please answer A or B. いえ いえ The answer is A. A is いえ B is いいえ主人主人 The answer is A. A is 主人 B is 囚人正解正解 The answer is B. A is 世界 B is 正解ビルビル The answer is A. A is ビル B is ビール同一同一 The answer is B. A is ドイツ B is 同一高校高校 The answer is B. A is ここ B is 高校取る取る The answer is A. A is 取る B is 通る部屋部屋 The answer is A. A is 部屋 B is 平野おじいさんおじいさん The answer is B. A is おじさん B is おじいさんおばさんおばさん The answer is A. A is おばさん B is おばあさん夢 The answer is A is 夢 B is 有名勇気 The answer is B A is 雪 B is 勇気スーパー The answer is B A is スパ B is スーパー角 The answer is A is 角 B is カード肯定 The answer is B A is 固定 B is 肯定入浴 The answer is A is 入浴 B is ニューヨーク交渉 The answer is B A is 故障 B is 交渉 Last question 一生 The answer is D A is 遺書 B is 衣装 C is 一緒 and D is 一生 Well done! These are just a few examples using Cho-on and similar pronunciation. As you see, the meanings are different. We don't want to introduce someone's husband as a prisoner, do you? In the last, would you want to know the rule when you write? If the Cho-on is ended with the sound a, I, and u, then write a vowel next to it. For example, お母さん When you write it down in Romanji, お母さん It's double of vowel A. お兄さん 空気 as well. If the Cho-on is ended with A sound, then write I instead of E. For example, English 英語 clock or watch 時計 teacher 先生 But there are 3 exceptions. お姉さん A and ね These 3 words need to write with E. If the Cho-on is ended with O sound, then you need to write U instead of O. For example, お父さん弟ありがとう However, O also has exceptions. If the word used to write with ho or wo in the old writing Japanese system, then need to write o. For example, 大きい 多い、氷、遠い、公、おおよそ、凍る、狼 and so on. These are the rules when you write in hiragana, but if you write the word in katakana, for example, long words, then you need to use hyphen instead of doubled vowels. For example, アイスクリーム、テーブル、ボール、ノート。That's it. Please keep up the good work. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. ありがとうございました。